Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Lynn. I'm here with another Stitch Fix review. I just got a great box. I'm in Colorado. It is hot. We're in a heat wave here. So one of the items in my box are these beautiful little earrings. They're pink and gold by Ralph Lauren. Really pretty. I like them so much, I just put them right on. But I have a lot of really cool things to share with you in my fix. Item number 2 is this beautiful little crossbody bag. It's called Urban Expressions Mayfair Crossbody. You can see it's got a regular handle like a satchel. We've got the extra length for crossbody wear. It's got a little deal. We're kind of working against the packaging here, but great little box style satchel purse. Good color for summer and spring. Actually, this could be used year round. Handy, very cute. I also got a pair of shoes. They usually come in these nice bags, which you can keep and use for packing when you're going on a trip if you need something to keep your shoes in. Sometimes I just use these for gift bags, so you can do a lot of things with them. The shoes I got are these little blue jelly sandals from Dr. Scholl. Super fun color. I'm always looking for something that I can kind of shuffle around the house in, and these would be great at the pool as well, or in Florida. I get a chance to go there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I've got 8 items total. It's going to be fun to go ahead and open. Let's do it. The first item is, oh, this feels so nice, whatever this fabric is. This is the contrast tipping collared sleeveless top. You can see it's a real pretty shade of green. This is extra small, and the fabric content in this, I'm guessing it's probably just polyester, but well, it's mostly cotton, rayon, and a little spandex. So, gosh, the fabric feels almost silky, which I like. Nice green. Be happy to give that one a try. Love it. This next one is the white Market & Spruce Pointel Scalloped Rib Tank. Oh, this also has a wonderful silky feeling fabric. You can see there's little scallops around the sleeves and the neck. It's also kind of a ribbing, just plain beautiful white, which I love. I'm a person who thinks you can never have too many white tops. This fabric is rayon and nylon. So that's why it feels so silky and nice. Beautiful. The third item is a dress. Oh boy, I'm excited to see this. It's a smocked dress. This one is the Market & Spruce Carson Smocked Maxi Dress. So the smocking is all up here at the top. You can see it's got a fun polka dot floral combination pattern, and it looks like it's a maxi length, which is sometimes challenging for me because I'm only 5'2". There is a slit here, so this has a lot of possibilities. I'll be excited to see how this feels when I put it on. Then I'm really excited about these tribal, the Audrey Hugging Buttonfly Short. This one is in a dark pink. Oh wow, look at this color. I'm wearing shorts a lot more than I expected to this summer. I just had my birthday. I just turned 71. And last summer, I was embarrassed to wear shorts. This summer, I am so proud that I have strong legs, and I just put some tanning on and I feel like I look beautiful. And shorts are comfortable when we have 95 to 100 degree temperatures. These have pockets in the back. There's a little stretch here, and I am looking forward to trying those on. And then I've got another pair of shorts here, the pull-on short with the button front detail from Tribal. Also, these are also from Tribal. So really nice, stretchy, pull-on style. No buttons in the front. These sort of faux pockets in the back. And cute little button detail around the waistband. So we've got some great stuff to try on, and we'll be right back to get that going. Thanks. All right, so I'm starting my try on with the Tribal front or pull-on style short in beige. It's actually got small white stripes with even smaller navy blue stripes. It's real stretchy. There's little front pockets here on both sides. No zipper, full pockets in the back, cute length, love it. I'm also wearing that with the pointel scalloped and ribbed tank. Just lovely in white. And again, who can resist a beautiful white top like this? Just wearing this with some tan flip-flops, and it could be dressed up or down, either way. Super fun. Okay, I wanted to try these Tribal button fly shorts with the pointel top. So these are just a little bit longer. These could actually be cuffed up if you wanted. I think I like this length. They're, these are real buttons. You do unbutton and button them. There are belt loops, the typical little coin pocket, front pockets, back pockets, everything someone needs in a great pair of shorts. I'm also trying on the Dr. Scholl's original jelly sandals. I'm not sure if you can see them. They feel fun to wear for summer. They're comfy. This is a size 7. And I've got the cute bag as well from Urban Expressions. So you can see all these items are gonna work great together. Of course, I'm still wearing the beautiful pink earrings. Okay, I'll be back to finish up with a couple more items. All right, I decided to pair this green top with a pair of Democracy white shorts that I have from a previous fix, and I really like it. It looks kind of preppy, but it's a great fitting top, and gosh, the feel of it is wonderful. This one again is called the 41 Hawthorne Contrast Tipping Collared Sleeveless Top. Yeah, nice. Let me know what you think about these selections. I have one more item, and that's the maxi dress. I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, I am so excited about this dress. I didn't keep the dress from the last fix just because it was kind of hard to get on. This one is also just a pull over. There's no zippers, buttons, but it's real easy to wear. The fabric is wonderful. The smocking here around the top is so cute. Totally bra friendly for me. And the amazing thing is it's not too long, which I am so happy about. A lot of times maxi dresses drag on the ground for me and I just can't function with that. So I'm actually just wearing flips. Got the cute crossbody bag. And I am thinking this is definitely a keeper. Will you let me know your thoughts? I really appreciate you taking time on a hot summer day to check out what I have with my Stitch Fix. I am gonna leave a code below. I think normally Stitch Fix gives you $20 or $25 if you use a link to sign up. You'll get an instant credit, and so will I. So have a marvelous day.